In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GMass in Gmail, GMass tutorial for beginners. We'll start from installation and finish with sending and scheduling a polished, personalized campaign right inside Gmail. First, install the GMass extension from the Chrome Web Store, add it to your browser, and sign up. Once it's connected to your Gmail, the GMass controls will appear in your Compose window. Next, prepare your audience data in Google Sheets. Create a sheet with clear column headers like email, first name, and a short description of your campaign. Keep header names simple, no spaces or special characters, and save the sheet with a recognizable name so you can find it later. Head to Gmail and open a new message. You'll see the GMass Google Sheets icon. Click it, choose the sheet you just created, and connect it. Add a strong subject line like you would for any normal email. In the body, personalize your message with merge tags by typing a curly brace and selecting fields from your sheet, such as first name. You can do the same for company, last name, or even email, depending on the columns you added. Open the GMass settings to explore key features. Send yourself a test email to check formatting and links. You can also pull content from a past email using Select Past Email and adjust details via the drop-down. Under Personalize, insert items like the recipient's name. Add an unsubscribe link to keep your list compliant, and turn on tracking if you want to measure opens and clicks. In the Actions section, choose whether GMass should send immediately or create drafts you can review first. For follow-ups, turn on Auto Follow-up. Set conditions such as, if no reply, choose how many days to wait and pick specific times. You can add multiple follow-up stages, each with its own timing and message. Use Schedule to fine-tune sending windows, skip holidays, choose specific days, set end times, and control sending speed. If you need recurring sends, create a new repeat rule and select the cadence by hour, day, week, month, or instantly, and pause it anytime. In Advanced, review the additional options and tick only what you need for this campaign. If you want engagement, insert a simple email poll and customize the answers, or add a simple countdown timer for time-sensitive offers. Once added, it will appear in your draft. Preview your text to make sure everything reads well with personalization in place. When you're satisfied, click the GMass Send button. If you're prompted for a plan, select the one that fits your sending needs, then send with confidence. That's it. Your GMass campaign is ready to go.